In this tutorial you can learn how to change background within 1 minute. This is 1 minute Photoshop tricks. So let's start now. Firstly open your Photoshop, then open your image. Then drag your background on your image. Then resize and enter. For unlock your image press double click then OK. Drag your background layer under your image layer. Now select your image layer and press Alt or Ctrl R for refine edge. Here transparency decreases low, and view is selected onion skin. And now select quick selection tool, then drag on your image outside which area you're wanted. Now select refine edge brush tool and drag on your image outside area, which area you not wanted. Now select smooth to and output to select layer mask, and make sure to check box remember settings. Now you can set up any background, just drag your image then resize.